Let's solve one previous question of function. This question was asked in GATE CS 2023, question number 39. Let f a implies b be an onto or surjective functions. I already discussed onto, one-to-one and bijective functions. Just go through the lecture. Where a and b are nonempty sets, means it contains some elements. Define an equivalence relation. This symbol is for equivalence relation and the set A as A1 is equivalent to A2 if f of A1 equals to f of A2. If both A1 and A2 image are same, then you can say A1 is equivalent to A2, where A1 and A2 belongs to set A. Let epsilon equals to x belongs to A be the set of all the equivalence classes under equivalence. Define a new mapping f epsilon tends to b as f of x equals to f of x for all the equivalence classes x in epsilon. Which of the following statement is or are true, and 4 options are given. So let me take an example that you can clearly understand. Let's set A contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B contain A, B, C. Now I'll create a onto function from set A to set B. This is our set A, this is our set B. Set A contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B contain A, B, C. Now f is a function from set A to set B. Let 1, 2 both maps to A, 3, 4 both maps to B, 5, 6 both maps to C. So f of 1 equals to f of 2 equals to A. We can say 1 is equivalent to 2. In the same way, f of 3 equals to f of 4 equals to B. So we can say 3 is equivalent to 4. 5 is equivalent to 6. So these are the equivalence set from set A, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Now we'll take a subset epsilon from set A that contain the equivalence. So from 1, 2, let me take 1, from 3, 4, let's take 3, from 5, 6, let's take 5. Now epsilon contain 1, 3, 5. So we'll create another function f from epsilon to set B. This is epsilon, this is set B. Now capital F is a function from epsilon to B. Now 1 will maps to A, 3 will maps to B and 5 will maps to C. 1, 2 both maps to A, both are equivalent. So here 1 maps to A. So from this description we take this example. Now we'll check the options. Option A, f is not well defined. F is well defined, that's why we are able to create this function. Okay, so this is false. F is well defined. Next option B, f is an onto or surjective function. This is true. So all elements of set B are images. F is a onto function, as for all elements there are some domains. Next option C, f is a one-to-one or injective function. This is true. So for every element of domain there are separate codomain. So this is also one-to-one function. Option D, f is a bijective function. It is both surjective and injective, that's why it is bijective. It's both one-to-one, onto, that's why it is one-to-one correspondence. So f is a bijective function, this is true. Here we found option A is false, while option B, option C and option D are true. It's a multiple selective question. I already discussed function, just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.